The practice of talking to oneself as a means to attract everything desired draws from a well of wisdom spanning centuries and cultures. It upholds the profound influence of our thoughts and words on reality. By mastering the art of self-conversation, we could open the door to our heart's desires. To understand this philosophy, one must delve into human thought from the emphasis on the power of the word to the celebration of imagination. The philosophy is a combination of beliefs, including the idea that we are made in the image of a creator and possess divine potential. It is argued that we have the ability to co-create our reality through the power of our words. The central belief is that thought shapes our reality, resonating with ideologies that view the human mind as a catalyst for personal fulfillment and transformation. To attract our desires, it is suggested to use repeated positive affirmations. By affirming what we desire as if it were already reality, we alter our mindset and bring our desires closer. Affirmations allow us to create a new desired truth. Imagine someone continuously reinforcing their self-esteem and attractiveness for love through positive affirmations. The practice transforms self-perception and increases attractiveness. Benefits include the development of self-confidence, resilience, and a sense of purpose, facilitating the manifestation of desires and aligning life with deep aspirations. It is crucial to be aware of the dangers of misusing this tool. There are risks in oversimplifying desires or detaching from objective reality. We must maintain a balance between affirmations and a clear understanding of the world, avoiding the belief that words alone will manifest desires without corresponding actions or falling into illusions. Affirmations are a tool, not a magic solution, and should be used with discernment, empathy, and awareness of the broader context of life. Exploring how affirmations and speech should be used involves focusing on practical applications and guidelines for effective use. Maintaining a balanced view of reality, the journey to attract what one desires is winding, navigated with wisdom and compassion. We need to use affirmations meticulously, aligning thoughts and words with our deepest desires. The conclusion of the journey requires a conscious approach, creating precise affirmations, repeating them diligently, and taking meaningful actions with humility and empathy. Speaking to ourselves to attract what we desire is a powerful tool when used wisely. The benefits are vast, but it is essential to be aware of its limitations and potential dangers. With careful practices and an open mind, we can use the power of words to shape a life rich in possibilities and achievements. The power is in our hands, we must use it wisely to create the life we desire. It is important to tread the path of self-affirmation with care and discernment. We must be aware of the dangers of oversimplifying our desires and the temptation to detach from objective reality. In adopting this philosophy, it is essential to balance affirmations with a clear understanding of the world. We must avoid believing that our words alone can manifest our desires without corresponding actions and be cautious not to fall into illusions or a false sense of invincibility. It is vital to recognize that affirmations are a tool, not a magic wand. They should be used with discernment, empathy, and an awareness of the broader context of life. As we explore how affirmations and speech should be used, we focus on practical applications and guidelines for effective use, maintaining a balanced view of reality. The path to attracting everything we desire is full of twists and turns, but with wisdom and compassion, we can make significant strides toward our aspirations. We must be meticulous in how we use affirmations, aligning our thoughts and words with our deepest desires and being aware that as we pursue our desires, we exist within a complex network of interconnected lives and events. We must focus on practical applications and master the art of affirmation, cultivating precise language, aligning thoughts and words with our deepest desires formulated positively and presently. Expanding our vocabulary to include powerful and positive words, we open doors to new possibilities and reshape our perception of reality. Repetition is key to embedding affirmations in our subconscious. Daily practice, whether spoken aloud or written, reinforces our desired beliefs and strengthens our resolve, creating lasting changes. However, it is crucial that affirmations are accompanied by intentional action. We must remember that words alone do not shape our reality. We must take concrete steps toward our goals. Moreover, humility is essential. Sometimes what we desire may not be the best for us or for the world at large. We must be open to adjusting our affirmations as we grow and evolve. We should also avoid the temptation to judge others based on their circumstances. As we pursue our desires through affirmations, we remember that we exist within a complex network of interconnected lives and events. The philosophy of speaking to oneself to attract everything desired is a powerful tool when used consciously. By creating precise affirmations, repeating them diligently, taking meaningful actions, and remaining humble and empathetic, we can harness the transformative potential of this philosophy. The benefits are vast, but we must always navigate this path with wisdom, recognizing its limitations and potential dangers. With these insights and practices in hand, you are equipped to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Speaking your way to a future rich in possibilities, remember the power of words is in your hands. Use them wisely to shape the life you desire. With these insights and practices in hand, you are ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation, utilizing the power of words to shape a future rich in possibilities. Always remember that the power of words is in your hands. You use them wisely to create the life you desire. Always maintain an attitude of learning and adaptation as you continue to practice self-affirmation, positive speech. You will notice a shift not just in your mindset but also in your external reality. Positive and repetitive affirmations begin to reprogram your subconscious mind, influencing your actions and attracting circumstances that resonate with your new beliefs. This practice can lead to an increase in self-confidence, resilience, and a clearer sense of purpose. You will begin to see opportunities where you previously saw obstacles and feel renewed motivation to pursue your goals with passion and determination. It is important to remain grounded in reality and aware of the potential pitfalls of this practice. While powerful, excessive optimism and denial of reality can lead to disillusionment and failure. Balance your affirmations with practical actions and realistic plans. Set achievable goals and work diligently to attain them, complementing your affirmations with effort and determination. Stay open to feedback and willing to adjust your affirmations and approaches as needed. Life is an ongoing process of learning and growth, and what works for you at one moment may need to be altered as you evolve and your circumstances change. Be patient with yourself and the process, knowing that each step, even the small ones, is moving you toward your goals. As you use the power of words to transform your life, remember to extend compassion and understanding to others. Everyone is on their own journey with their own challenges and aspirations. Practice empathy and support, creating a positive atmosphere around you that benefits not just you but also those you interact with. The philosophy of speaking to oneself to attract what you desire is an ongoing pursuit of self-discovery, action, and reflection. Used wisely, it can be a powerful tool for transforming your life and achieving your dreams. Continue exploring, adjusting, and growing, and watch the words become a powerful reflection of your unlimited potential. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.